Divide is times, just backwards. Going backwards. Because 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's called a triad. 2, 3 and 6, they work together. 2 times 5 is 10. Ching. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. When you've got 2 of the triads, the third one comes up. 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. They're a triad. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 squared is 25. 5 squared is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. That's another triad. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. The 35, 7, 5 triad. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 divided by 5 is 8. And 40 divided by 8 is 5. I think I should change my page on my book there. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 divided by 5 is 9. And 45 divided by 9 is 5. Change my page. Editing. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Another little piece of editing, making my book better and better before I publish. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 33 and 10 is a triad. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 divided by 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 2 times 7 is 14. So 7 divided by 4, 2 is 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Triad, triad, triads. 10 times 4 is 40. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 6 divided by 3 is 2 because 2 times 3 is 6. 8 divided by 2 is 4 because 2 times 4 is 8. 10 divided by 5 is 2 because 2 times 5 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5 because 2 times 5 is 10. 30 divided by 3 is 10 because 10 times 3 is 30. They're triads. 15 divided by 3 is 5 because 3 times 5 is 15. Because 4 times 5 is 20, we can do 20 divided by 4 is 5. Because 2 times 7 is 14, we know that 14 divided by 2 is 7. Because 5 times 11 is 55, we know that 55 divided by 5 is 11. Because 11 times 5 is 55, we know that 5 divided by 11 is 5. Because that's a set. Because 5 times 1 equals 5, we know that 5 divided by 1 is 5. Yeah, that one's easy. Because 3 times 1 is 3, we know 3 divided by 1 is 3. Because 1 times 13 is 13, we know that 13 divided by 1 is 13. Because 30 times 1 is 30, we know that 30 divided by 1 is 30. You divide by 1, you get the number back. Times by 1, you get the number back. Because 4 times 2 equals 8, we know that 8 divided by 4 is 2. Because 3 times 3 is 9, we know that 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Because 10 times 10 equals 100, we know that 100 divided by 10 is 10. We know 2 times 20 equals 40, so that will tell us that there's a triad. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. Half of 40 is 20. We know that 7 times 10 is 70, so that will give us 70 divided by 7 is 10. We know that 3 times 4 is 12, so that will give us 12 divided by 3 is 4. That's a repeat. I'm sure I've done that. Oh, right, okay. 5 times 7, 35. 7 times 5 is the same. Doesn't matter which order you do things when you're timesing. It does when you divide. 35 divided by 5 is 7. And 35 divided by 7 is 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Because 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, now. To get to 8 to make 16, you double it. So therefore 16 divided by 8 is 2. 6 divided by 3, 2. 81 divided by 9, 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 9 is 81. Go! Wow! My name's Good Luck Gary. Press like, press subscribe. If you live in Hong Kong like I do, I'm at the international schools teaching. If you want help with maths or science, get your mum to give me a message at goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. That's not in focus. Bye!